Alright guys, hello, good day. This video is gonna be a tutorial on how you can copy your layouts from COD Mobile, which is this. Copy this layout to another account. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do that, and hopefully it helps. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna have to open your files in your phone. You're gonna open your phone. Mine here is POCO X3 Pro. Internal storage, open that, and then you go to Android folder, you open data, and then you look for a folder called com.activision.call-of-duty-shooter. Activision can be replaced with Garena, whichever server you're playing in. So you open that, and then you'll find two folders, cache and files. You open files, then you open config, right here, config. So in this folder you'll find 3 files or 4, but what really matters is the 2 folders here above, which is HUD and joystick. These are going to be really important. So what we're going to do, we're going to back this up. This is the really important stuff. Copy, and we're going to make a folder called backup in our desktop. Backup right there, paste, boom. So it's saved. Now we're gonna delete it, right? Delete it. So we start fresh, all right? It's good to, start fresh. So what we're gonna do, I'm here, my COD. We're gonna log out. We're gonna go to settings, go down to legal and privacy. Here, you can log out your account in the bottom right. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. So once we've logged out, we're just gonna log back in. This will trigger a download in the game where it downloads your layout again, because they also have a cloud. They have a cloud where they save your file. So if you mess up, they got you backed up. All right, so you're safe. So now that we've logged in, remember we deleted the HUD and joystick folder. Now it's back. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open these. You'll find 6 files in the HUD and 3 files here. This may be 2. All right, this could be 2 files and 4 files in the other folder if you didn't set up your zombies layout. So here, this is a new game mode, right? Zombies. If you didn't come in this screen and save and click save and use, you'll be lacking ones. But you could just come in here and just click save and use, and then it will generate a file which will turn into 6 in the HUD, and joysticks will be 3. So now that we have BR, MP, and TD, meaning zombie mode, we have files for each game mode. Alright, so that's how they separated it. In the HUD, we have 2 for each. So BR, MP, TD, TD. So that's just a note. It's not really important for what we're gonna do, but it's good to know. So here you'll find files. These files will have a code in the end. Let me just change the layout here. There you go. So each file here has a code in the end, and they're all the same. The file here for this account is 6718555. That's for my account. Your account might have different file name codes, but what's important is, sorry, I'm gonna do something. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this code. We're gonna just rename it, and then copy the code in the end. Don't mess up the ones in front, right? So we're gonna copy that code. We're gonna open Notepad or sticky notes, whatever. And I already copied this. I already did this once, but I'm gonna do it again. Let's say account 1. All right, account 1. We're gonna save the code right here, right below it. This is gonna be important later on. So now that we've done that, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go open settings again, legal and privacy, log out this account, and we're gonna log in account where you're gonna copy the layout to. So I'm gonna log in my alt. Anyways, this is my trolling account, by the way. I'm sorry if you encountered me. But now that we've logged in here, it will have downloaded the files for this account. So Here we're in the HUD folder. We're gonna go back to config, boom, and we reload the page. Now it doubled. See? All right, it doubled. It downloaded the files for this account. Same for the joysticks folder. First it was 3, now it's 6. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the files, and just like what we did earlier, we check the code and the end of the files. Now you notice that there are like two distinct codes here, right? So we have 6, 7, 18. That's for our main account. Now we have another code called that is 13, 76, 43, 44. That's for this account. So we're gonna take note here, blah blah blah. Account 2. You don't really have to do this if you're like, you can start in your mind, but this is just to show you guys how it works right there. So we have two codes, account 1 and account 2. That's how they separate the files for each account and settings. So I'm gonna want to copy the layout from account 1 to account 2. So this is how you copy it. All right, I'm gonna take, since I want to copy the layout for account 1 to account 2, I'm gonna delete the files of account 2, which has 13, 76, etc. in the end. So I'm gonna highlight all this, right? Delete all the files for account 2. Bam, it's gone. Now we are left with account 1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the code that we just copied. Copy that and replace the code in the end, or ID, right? Just replace it. So once you're done replacing this, basically what you're doing is that you're tricking the game to think that these are the files for account 2, but are actually the files for account 1. So it loads up the layout of account 1 in account 2. So see, we're done with this. Now we go hop in the joystick folder, and it's the same thing. So highlight account 2's files, delete it, blah blah blah. We have the code here saved. So we're just gonna copy, and we're just gonna replace again. Let me just, so you guys can see. Whatever. There you go. So rename, replace the code, place the code, place the code. Bam, we're done. And that's basically it. That's basically it. So we're here. Yeah, that's basically it. So here you go to MP, and it's done copying. So this is my layout for my main, basically. So it's successfully copied. So we're Gucci. And once you're here, make sure you click save. All right, save and use. MP here, MP mode, BR mode, zombies mode. Click all of these, customize, and click save. All right, click save so that once you click save, it will upload to the cloud of the game, so that if you delete this, it's just gonna come back and it's gonna save forever. You'll be safe. Hopefully you guys understood that. It's gonna be a bit complicated if you hear it for the first time, I guess, or maybe it's just me explaining, but that's how you do it. So I'm gonna prove to you guys so that works. Just gonna copy this, I'm gonna back this up in the desktop, the thing that we just did, and I'm gonna open MP, reset, so we have default HUDs, reset, blah blah blah, and save it. Reset, save. So now we have the default stuff. Here we just copied it. I'm gonna put it back. boom, it's done. So if we open it, there you go, there's the layout. So we're Gucci. It's all good. It's successful. So that's basically it. That's basically how you copy the layouts to other accounts. If you're having trouble, if you have questions, comment down below or just DM me in Discord in my server, my very empty server. But I'm just here to help out. Hopefully it worked for you. If you have problems, feel free to DM me, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Have a great day. Happy gaming. See ya, and hope it helps.